Hello, honey. I thought this would be a very nice way to bring us closer together on my birthday. Although we're many miles apart, I want you to know that I feel that you are as near and dear to me as you have always been. I've never been much at making speeches at this time, but I'll try as hard as I can to convey my love to you. I'm making this record in Washington, D.C. I got here on a 12-hour pass. I wrote you a letter about it home. We've been married a little over 4 years now, and I know you must be going through a pretty trying experience with your condition and things as they are. But I want you to know that you've got to keep up your morale, and it's up to us in the armed forces to keep up the civilian morale. That's why I felt I should make this record and give you a chance to hear my voice so you can celebrate my birthday, even though I'm not there with you to celebrate it together. I love you very much and feel that you should be with me, but I'm sure that as soon as we're victorious in the war, we can be together and have a fine time together and do all the things we plan to do. Well, I'm giving you this in my old monotone, so don't worry about it. I'm not going to sing a song to you, but I want to say now as I close that I love you very much and want you to keep healthy and keep well and do everything possible in order to see that we have a nice life in the future. I mean, take care of that baby that's coming along. So long, honey. I love you.